How to use green screen on CapCut. First of all, head over to your application CapCut. Tap on New Project. Select one of the video that you want to add the green screen, and then tap on Add at the bottom right. Once you have added this video, tap on Overlay at the bottom. Click on Add Overlay. Select the green screen video that you want to apply, and then tap on Add. You can place this green screen anywhere on the screen. Now, in order to remove this green screen, slide all the way to the left and you'll get to see the option of cutout. Tap on it, and then tap on Chroma key. Now you need to move this icon to the color that you want to remove. It's obviously green, so place it to the green color. Once you are done, tap on Intensity. You need to place this button all the way to the 100 scale, and then you can also adjust this shadow. Once you are done, tap on the stick icon. There you can see that the green screen has been removed. Now once again, you can place this icon anywhere on the screen and you'll be good to go. Otherwise, you can add any of the green screen on your video. So that's it, and this is simply how to use green screen on CapCut. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.